pull the rear end up some.
Yeah.
Why both of us?
So you can see us. All right. So we got a phone call from, all right. Where did it go?
I don't know.
Is it still stuck on me?
No.
All right. So we got a phone call from a kid named Connor. He's stuck in his Tacoma up Long Hollow Canyon in Spanish Fork off Highway 6. So Ben is headed out camping today. I'm not sure if he's going to be able to make it. We're going to just kind of wait to see. So we got Lunchbox here helping me. We're going to take Black Betty and Banner, and we'll head out there and see what it's all about. Looks like he's hanging off a cliff, so should be an entertaining one.
Should be fun.
Yeah. He looks like he went all the way off and it's just the inside of his driver tires holding himself up on the lip, so we'll see how it goes. But enjoy the show. Right, so we made it up to the trailhead, and look who was able to make it after all. He postponed his camping trip to come do the recovery with us. So he's in his white Land Cruiser. So I don't know if you can see down there, right there, we're leaving Black Betty down at the trailhead, and we're gonna take Banner because it's a little more stable. It's only on 35s. It still has the sway bars. So on these really steep mountain roads, when we're pulling sideways, it's really stable. So it works a little better for this stuff. And
a lot less body roll, lower center of gravity.
Yeah, so we got about 3 miles up the trail to go, and we'll take little snippets and see when you get there. So at what point up this road were you guys like, maybe we shouldn't drive this?
Well, we came straight up this.
Was it before or after you're off the side?
it was when we started backing up, because I was up on the side like that, and my back tire was kind of off the side,
so
right?
The only thing that slipped off, we were on the road, and that back tire hit the wet grass, and then we tried to back it up, and then the front just slid down too.
Yeah.
We tried.
You can see, like, we like stopped like right here. I don't know if you can really tell, but we were like right here, and then I like backed up a tiny bit, and it just started sliding. And so we were like, yeah, we gotta
right
stop. So It was kind of crazy.
We tried to move it one more time, but as soon as we started to move, it started to like move up.
Yeah.
We realized that was no good.
So Ben,
Completely flat.
they let all the air out of the tires to kind of catch some extra grip. We can air them up. So Ben, I'm thinking one of two things. Either we see if we can get the squeeze the green Land Cruiser by, which I would definitely need your spot, but I think we can probably do it. Or they drove up this. We could just tie the back end to it, drive the nose down, swing it down, and just drive it straight down.
Might be able to drive up around the top here too.
It's steeper up there.
It didn't look bad. I was going to walk around and look, but even we
Yeah.
got to the top and ran a winch line down from the top right down to here.
Good.
We'd have to go up and look and see what the train's like up there, but on that side it looks like it's not bad to get there.
Let's walk up and around and look, and then we'll know what we're getting into.
Yeah.
But Ben, I can back the Land Cruiser
Oh, yeah.
up right here.
Perfect.
That's what I think we should do.
So back up and nose down there and then just back right up here.
Yep.
Yeah, I like that. And
Okay.
we'll hook on, and then after we're hooked on, we'll try and back this up about 6 feet
While winching,
while winching.
so we can keep
To drag
the
the
front tire
rear
right where it's
up.
at, but the rear we could drag all the way up to here,
Okay.
and then I can just drive it down.
You have a trailer hitch tow point, or should I grab one? I don't want to use that.
I think I have one.
The one with the D-ring on it.
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay. I know I've got one in mind. I just don't want to use the hitch. They can come off of the hitch too easy.
I actually think they're in Black Betty, down at the trailhead.
I know I have one or two in mind, but if he's got one, we can use it. That
Okay.
way, if we forget to take it off,
We'll have.
it's not ours that we lost. He still has his. Okay. Should be good there to come forward. Down. Right about there should work. Straight back. With the D-ring, yeah, like that. Because we'll be pulling to the side. Just like you are. Keep going just like you are. As soon as the tire starts to climb the bank, you might have to turn to the right some to keep it straight. Turn to the right. More passenger. More passenger. Try again. Turn left right there so you can get straighter.
So you're supposed to put these in there?
No, those are just so that when you don't use it, and it doesn't rattle and clang against your bumper. Okay, keep it pretty straight. Your front's not locked in?
No.
Okay. Okay, come forward about 4 feet and just kind of get a little bit of a bump. Turn to the driver's side a little bit. Keep the rear end head this way. Okay, turn passenger and back up about 4 more feet. That's it. I was just thinking get the nose just a little bit more straight, but it doesn't really matter. Because you're not going to have to put a lot of pressure on the back.
No.
So.
No.
Okay.
It's just to hold it.
Okay. Owen, I want you to go up about 10 feet in front of the truck there and just film from that direction. You got the keys to the truck?
I do.
We'll have everybody probably, yeah, up here is the best.
You want me to drive or you want to drive?
I can drive.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it in neutral. neutral to start with and let you pull the rear end up some.
Yeah.
Okay. Will your hose reach that far? Okay.
The back one, there's not a bunch of side pressure on it, so. Nope. We're gonna have to go back some more. Okay, see if you can start straightening out the wheel. Nice and gentle. Hold on. Let me roll a little more. Okay. Right there, leave it. Okay, don't come back any further.
I'll put it back in neutral. Goals. I think
It was empty.
that's what it looked like. Well, this actually has dirt and soil in it, not just marbles.
It's marvelous. It's marvelous. That's I hang out with my kids too much.
Edit that out. Oh wait, no, never mind. He said it. Leave it in. That's for you, Richard.
Ready? Turn it just a little more driver. Right there. And then go down about 4 feet before
Missed
you
that
come
post.
in. Okay, now turn. Yeah, perfect. Should be smooth sailing now.
Retook and everything, it doesn't do any justice
It
how
doesn't.
really steep some of these spots
Yeah,
are.
camera never does justice on how bad things are.
Yeah.
Never did.
You want me to drive Ben's down, or you have him come back
Feel
up for it?
comfortable turning that turn, or do you want to take this one because it's a straight shot?
I'll take the straight shot.
There is a road right there that goes down.
I mean, what's the worst that could happen? You're already
Death?
here.
Okay. I'll film you going down just in case something funny happens.
Oh. Like I roll it?
Yeah.
I'll see how that's funny.
If you roll my green one, I'll be a little bent. If you're gonna roll one, roll Black Betty.
You're gonna be bent?
You guys want to ride with him too? To walk? Go right.
Right or left?
Well, you're committed now. Go left, but that's why I told you to go right to begin with. Let off the brakes if you start to slide. Just put it in low. Okay. They'll jump in with me. Too bad these GoPros don't have zoom.
I know.
This probably looks like he's just driving through a field on camera.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go jump in this one.
Alright. Door open?
I don't remember. This is my brother's.
try?
Yeah.
Nope.
No. Sometimes rocks get in the way of doors opening.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, man.
I'll let you be the cameraman for a minute.
Alright, you
If that's all right.
tell me what you want. I'll do it.
I'll probably hold it out the window a little. Show the front tires.
I can't see
So,
anything
Just
on the
angle,
screen.
just angle it out, or rather put your hand all the way out. Point it down just a hair, right there.